Hey guys, Tony Denaro here. Welcome back to the channel. Monday afternoon, April 25th. And if you did not hear the news today, the board of Twitter did agree today to accept Elon Musk's offer of $54.20 per share. On my live stream today, I did get a lot of questions about what does that mean if you own call or put options, since we don't have a firm date yet on exactly when the Twitter Musk deal is going to close. Spend a minute with me. I'm going to answer that question for you and go over some of the highlights of today's news with Twitter and Elon and what to expect with that stock for the rest of this week. All right, so here is the headline. Elon Musk lands deal to take Twitter private for $44 billion. This will be one of the largest leverage buyouts ever. And Elon Musk touts the social network as a place for vital online debates. If you were holding Twitter stock prior to April 1st, when Elon first disclosed his intention to buy the company, this represents about a 38% gain at that offer price of $54.20. Twitter does report their earnings this week, Thursday, April 28th, prior to the market opening, although the company is now noting that due to this upcoming deal, they will not be hosting a conference call once the earnings are released. Twitter closed the day today at $51.70. That is a gain of 5.6% on the day. Now in after hours, it is currently trading at $51.86. Now, when this deal is actually going to close is still to be determined. It is subject to regulatory approval and approval by the shareholders' vote. In terms of call and put options, how that is going to play out for you if you own call or put options is going to be largely dependent on what date this deal actually formally gets done and what the expiration date is on your options. In short, if you have options that are still in play when the deal is done, if those options are out of the money, well, they're just going to expire worthless. If they are in the money, they're going to be worth the intrinsic value on the day that the deal is done. That also means that the extrinsic value is going to be wiped out. So if you're not familiar with the difference between intrinsic and extrinsic value, please go back and watch my Options for Beginners video, and that will explain those to you very clearly. Now, this does present an interesting question about what is going to happen with Twitter stock in the coming days and weeks if this deal is going to take weeks or even months to get done with the SEC and the shareholder vote. Unfortunately, as of this moment in today's news, I don't have a firm date for you on when this deal is going to close. So let's talk about what might happen with Twitter stock. The company is going to announce earnings on Thursday before the market opens. And if that earnings call does not meet expectations, we could well see a reduction in the price. But normally what happens when we get a buyout offer with a set price like $54.20, the stock price tends to pin right at that price. Today we're sitting at $51.70. So it is a little strange that the price of the stock did not jump to $54.20 and pin right there for the remainder of the day once this news of the deal came out. Could it be that investors are concerned that Thursday's announcement is not going to be that great and there could be some volatility in this stock? Well, I guess we're just going to have to wait and find out. I did have a very small investment on Twitter puts in case Elon did not make the deal with Twitter. I haven't checked them today. I would imagine that they're probably close to worthless, although I'm going to go ahead and hold on to them until after they release earnings and see what happens with the price of the stock. It's probably not going to move a whole lot from the current price. Now, my options expire in June, but considering where the stock price is today, close to $52, I'm going to guess that that bet is not going to work out for me. I'm going to keep you up to date on the news as it comes in, so be sure and check back if you're interested in the Elon Musk and Twitter deal. I am Tony Denaro. I want to thank you for watching this quick update. Don't forget to buy and hold that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.
You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break.